stepping out of a hot shower only to find my mirror completely fogged and a faint smell of mildew creeping into the drywall is my personal nightmare. I once bought a cheap exhaust fan to fix it, only to be deafened by what sounded like a jet engine, while the steam remained stubbornly untouched. Navigating CFM ratings, noise levels, and gimmicky features is a headache. Today, I'm breaking down the top 7 bathroom exhaust fans I've rigorously tested to solve this exact problem. Stick around, because our number 1 pick completely changed how I think about bathroom ventilation. 7. Broan-NuTone SPK80L. The initial concept of this fan is genuinely appealing for anyone who loves listening to music or podcasts during their morning routine. It features an integrated Bluetooth speaker hidden directly behind the main grille, alongside a standard LED light. When I first installed this unit in my guest bathroom, I was excited by the prospect of combining my daily ventilation needs with a seamless audio experience, eliminating the need to bring a portable, waterproof speaker into the shower area every day. However, the reality of everyday use quickly dampened my enthusiasm. The fan operates at an 80 CFM rating, which is generally acceptable for smaller bathrooms. But during my testing in a medium-sized space, it noticeably struggled to keep up with heavy steam. Even after running the fan for 20 minutes post-shower, a frustrating layer of condensation remained clinging to the upper half of the mirrors. It simply lacks the aggressive air pulling capability required to quickly and efficiently dry out a heavily used bathroom environment, making it feel underpowered for its price point. Compounding the weak airflow is the acoustic profile of the fan itself. It operates at 2.5 sones, which is surprisingly loud and aggressive. The persistent drone of the motor directly conflicts with the built-in Bluetooth speaker, creating a chaotic auditory experience. To actually hear my music or podcast clearly over the sound of the fan blades, I had to crank the volume to an uncomfortably high level, and even then, the audio quality from the speaker was decidedly tinny and lacked any meaningful bass response. Finally, the installation process left a lot to be desired. 6. Panasonic WhisperChoice Auto. Historically, Panasonic is a gold standard in the ventilation industry, so I went into my testing period with incredibly high expectations. This model features their innovative Pick a Flow speed selector, allowing you to choose between 80 or 110 CFM based on your room size. And it boasts a built-in humidity sensor designed to automate your bathroom's moisture control. The idea of a fan that perfectly manages itself without any user input is the ultimate goal for home ventilation. Unfortunately, the automated features proved to be highly inconsistent during my practical testing. The built-in humidity sensor is supposed to trigger the fan when it detects a rapid rise in moisture, but I found it to be incredibly finicky. Some mornings it would kick on exactly when it needed to, while other days I would step out of the shower into a completely fog-filled room, waiting awkwardly for the sensor to finally register the humidity and wake the fan up. Having to manually override a fan that is specifically marketed for its automatic capabilities is incredibly frustrating when the fan is actually running, particularly on the higher 110 CFM setting. The noise level was another point of contention. While it is marketed under the Whisper branding, my test unit developed a distinct, subtle rattle that echoed through the ceiling drywall. It wasn't the roaring sound of a cheap builder-grade fan, but rather an annoying, mechanical vibration that I couldn't completely isolate or eliminate, despite double-checking all the mounting hardware and duct connections. On the positive side, Panasonic's Flex-C fast installation bracket is included, which genuinely saves time and effort if you are installing this from below the ceiling without attic access. 5. Broan-NuTone ChromaComfort. The standout feature is its multicolor LED lighting system, which you can fully customize using an included wall control or a dedicated smartphone app. Setting up a relaxing, dimly lit blue or purple color palette transforms an otherwise boring, utilitarian bathroom routine into a deeply relaxing, spa-like experience at the end of a long day. Stepping up to the performance side of things, the ChromaComfort delivers a very capable 110 CFM of airflow. During my testing, this power level made a massive difference in how quickly the room recovered after a scalding hot shower. I watched the steam visibly pull toward the ceiling grate in real time, keeping the vanity mirrors perfectly clear and preventing that heavy, humid feeling from lingering in the air. It handles the primary job of moisture extraction with impressive efficiency. Acoustically, it operates at 1.5 sones. While it is not completely silent, the sound profile is very manageable and pleasant. It produces a low-pitched, steady hum that easily fades into the background, providing a bit of ambient white noise rather than an annoying mechanical drone. You can easily hold a normal conversation or listen to music on your phone without feeling like you are competing with a wind tunnel directly above your head. The app integration and Bluetooth controls are mostly responsive, though occasionally I experienced a slight lag when trying to change the lighting scenes from my phone. The included wall switch is a fantastic physical backup, ensuring you don't always need your phone in the bathroom to adjust the vibe. 4. Delta Breez Radiance. There is absolutely nothing worse than stepping out of a comforting, warm shower into freezing, midwinter bathroom air. That chilling shock is exactly why this fan caught my attention, as it features a powerful, fully integrated 1,300-watt heating element. Having a built-in heater directly in your ceiling completely changes the dynamic of your morning routine, providing a blanket of warmth right where you need it most. The heating performance of the Radiance is genuinely outstanding. During my winter testing, it warmed up my standard-sized bathroom incredibly fast, taking the chill out of the air before the shower water even got hot. What I particularly loved was the built-in thermostat feature. It intelligently monitors the room's climate, keeping the space at a beautifully consistent, comfortable temperature without endlessly blasting heat and turning the bathroom into an unbearable, stifling sauna. As for the ventilation side, the exhaust fan runs on a highly efficient, brushless DC motor, pushing 80 CFM at a very respectable 1.5 sones. Delta has managed to perfectly balance the high-power demands of the heating element with efficient, relatively quiet moisture extraction. Even with the heater running, the exhaust effectively pulled the damp air out of the room, preventing condensation buildup on the walls and windows without pulling all the warm air out simultaneously. It is important to note that because of the powerful heater, this unit requires a dedicated 20-amp circuit, which might necessitate a call to an electrician depending on your home's current wiring setup. However, the payoff is immensely worth the extra installation effort. The build quality feels incredibly robust, the heavy-duty metal housing inspires confidence, and the integrated lighting provides excellent, warm illumination, making it an absolute powerhouse for colder climates. 3. Homewerks 714801AX. If you are a smart home enthusiast who loves having voice control over every aspect of your living space, this fan is designed entirely for you. I was initially a bit skeptical about embedding Amazon Alexa directly into my bathroom ceiling, assuming it might be a gimmicky addition, but the Homewerks fan completely won me over with its remarkably seamless, hands-free integration and surprisingly high-quality hardware. Unlike the earlier speaker fan we discussed, the audio quality on this Homewerks model is a massive step up. The integrated speakers deliver crisp, full-bodied sound that easily cuts through the ambient noise of a running shower. Asking Alexa for my daily flash briefing, checking the local weather forecast, or commanding it to play a specific morning playlist worked flawlessly every single time. The microphones are incredibly sensitive and had no trouble isolating my voice commands over the sound of splashing water. Beyond the impressive tech tricks, It is a highly capable and aggressive ventilator, pushing an impressive 110 CFM at 1.5 sones. It easily handled the heaviest steam loads I could throw at it during my testing. Within minutes of stepping out of the shower, the thick fog in my primary testing bathroom was completely evacuated, leaving the mirrors spotless and the air feeling fresh and dry. It doesn't sacrifice core performance for its smart features. The integrated LED light is bright, perfectly diffused, and features a natural color temperature that makes it ideal for shaving or applying makeup in the mornings. 2. Broan-NuTone SurfaceShield. If you constantly battle with stubborn mildew, or if you simply want to maintain the most hygienic environment possible in your home, this fan is an absolute revelation. It goes far beyond simply removing moisture. It acts as a proactive, continuous defense system for your bathroom surfaces, and my testing proved it to be incredibly effective. The absolute standout feature of this model is the integration of Viv antimicrobial light technology. This is not a harmful UV light. Rather, it is a specialized, purple-hued LED setting that targets and prevents the growth of bacteria, mold, and fungi. During an extended testing period, I left this antimicrobial mode running continuously. I noticed a dramatic reduction in the typical pink mold and mildew buildup in the dampest, hardest to reach corners of my shower grout, severely cutting down on my weekly scrubbing routine. When it comes time to move air, the 110 CFM motor kicks in at an astonishingly quiet 1.0 sone. It operates with a smooth, barely there whisper that is incredibly pleasant to the ear. Even when tasked with clearing a heavily steamed room, the motor never strains or rattles. It effortlessly handles high moisture volumes without disrupting the peace and quiet of your home, making it ideal for bathrooms located near bedrooms or living areas. The design of the grille is sleek, modern, and low profile, blending beautifully seamlessly into standard white ceilings. The dual lighting system is brilliantly executed, allowing you to use a bright, crisp white LED for everyday tasks, and easily switch over to the purple SurfaceShield mode when you leave the room. 1. Panasonic WhisperSense DC. Let me tell you, this fan is nothing short of a ventilation masterpiece. After testing dozens of different models across various price points, this is the exact fan I ultimately chose to permanently install in my own master bathroom. It perfectly combines raw power, absolute silence, and intelligent automation into a flawless package. What elevates this fan completely above the competition is the flawless, hyper-accurate execution of its dual sensor technology. It features both a motion sensor and a highly calibrated humidity sensor that actually work exactly as they are intended to. I literally never have to touch a wall switch anymore. It turns on silently when I walk into the room, automatically boosts its power when it detects a rapid rise in steam, and smartly shuts itself off once the room is perfectly dry. The integrated pick flow speed selector lets you precisely dial in 50, 80, or 110 CFM, all driven by Panasonic's revolutionary, energy-efficient DC motor. At its lower settings, it operates at an almost unbelievable rating of under 0.3 sones. It is so eerily, perfectly quiet that during my initial testing, I genuinely had to hold a piece of tissue paper up to the ceiling grill just to confirm the fan blades were actually spinning. The acoustic engineering here is truly second to none. The incredible energy efficiency of the ECM motor, combined with the intelligent automated run times, means this fan will likely pay for itself in electricity savings over its long lifespan. The built-in LED lighting is beautifully diffused, eliminating harsh shadows, and the installation is an absolute breeze thanks to their proprietary bracket system. Outro. That's all for today, folks.